everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be rating my fidgets from 1 to 10. 1 being the worst and 10 being the best. And I do have a garbage next to me to put all of the trash in. I am giving this one a 9 out of 10. The reason why, because when I press inwards, yes, it wants to go in like that. But it wants to pop out, all good. So I'm giving this one a 9 out of 10. And I don't remember if I have this poppin' already from a few years ago. I don't know. So I picked up two of the exact same. By the way, these ones are Easter themed. I'm also giving this one a 9 out of 10 as well. And yes, the one thing I do notice that this is pastel and rainbow themed. So 9 out of 10. And yes, I am getting these puppets out of the way since it just has a tag onto it, nothing else. And I did got these at Target for like $1. And I will be cutting off the tag off camera. I'm giving this one a 10 out of 10. It is easy for me to pop and it don't even move when like I just push it in. What I mean by that is like the sides. Because a lot of puppets likes to push down when I try to pop it. I will be cutting off the tags on all these off camera. I am just letting everyone know this. Give me a few minutes so I can cut off the last one onto it. I don't know if anyone noticed this with this one, but it was just like what I was talking about, like with the other one that wants to go differently. But I'm giving this one a 9 out of 10 because of that reason, because it wants to go downwards and all that, and I don't know if anyone else can notice that. So I'm giving this one a 9 out of 10. Even though the cats are my favorite animal, and I'm really happy I found this one. And I am a dog person too. I'm giving this one a 10 out of 10. And the last puppet, there's this one with the tag onto it. I'm giving this one a 10 out of 10 as well. I know you don't want to see me doing puppets all the time, so I'm grabbing another fidget. These are the Valentine's Day themed Slinkies. Comment down below if Slinkies are a part of fidgets or not, because I keep finding Slinkies in the fidget collection, like everywhere I go. I really like this color. It's one of my favorites. And I do have a few Slinkies in my collection. So I am giving this one a 10 out of 10. And yes, I know it comes in 6, but I am going to try the other 3 off camera. Maybe. And I know I have another one with it too. This is also my favorite because it's 2 colors in one, and I don't know if anyone noticed it, that it is 2 colors in one. I'm giving this a 10 out of 10. Even this one, it's 3 colors in one. I don't know if anyone noticed. It's dark pink, light pink, and a little bit medium at the bottom. I'm also giving this a 10 out of 10. I'm giving this one a 10 out of 10 as well. And yes, you do have to pull it apart because it is stiff and all that you can't even move it until you pull it apart. I'm giving this one a 10 out of 10 as well. I wish that the Valentine's Day ones for the Slinkies was a little bit bigger instead of it being small, like the mini ones. That's just me personally. I don't know about anyone else. I don't know if anyone else likes the mini size or the original size. For me, I prefer both. I'm giving this one a 10 out of 10 as well. But comment down below if you think that Slinkies are a part of fidgets or not. Because, like how I said, I keep finding Slinkies in the fidget collection everywhere I go in the store. And I will be cutting this one open off camera. I'm giving this a 10 out of 10. I'm also giving this one a 10 out of 10 as well. I'm giving it a 10 out of 10. Yes, all of the Slinkies are a 10 out of 10. Like all of them. I'm giving this one a 10 out of 10. I know I did forget to rate them. And for these two Slinkies, they are a 10 out of 10 as well. Like they are. But I wish that they made like Valentine's one a little bit more bigger instead of the mini. Maybe they are going to change it up next year for Valentine's Day. I don't know. Now I am going to do the pop tubes. Fun fact, these two colors are my favorite. Like they are. I'm giving this one a 10 out of 10. And the reason why I don't pull them apart all the way, because people think that they are annoying. Like if they do it too much. Correct me if I'm wrong, because I don't know. That's what I seen in videos that I seen. Like last year. 10 out of 10 for this. I'm giving this one a 9.5 out of 10. The reason why, because from the noise. And I do understand why people think that these are annoying half of the time, because from the loud noise. I don't know if I have these two in my collection already. I don't know. I just grabbed it and I have 5 below. And it was only $1. I'm giving it a 10 out of 10 for both. I'm doing the other pop tubes so I can get them out of the way. This video is already 13 minutes long and I'm not even done. I am opening both of them and putting them in front of me, so I can rate them a little bit faster this way, since I have 4 of the exact same colors. 4 pinks, 4 blues, and 4 yellows. I'm giving this to a 10 out of 10 for both. For the last 2 pinks, 10 out of 10. But by the way, you can make shapes out of these and you can connect them together and wear a bracelet, like wear a bracelet out of it. That's what I heard. And you can even connect these like together. I don't know if anyone knew that or what. Or if this is the first time you know that you can connect these and make shapes out of it. Ten out of 10 for these 2 glues. The last 2 blues. 10 out of 10. By the way, if these are giving you guys a headache because from the loud noise, I am completely sorry for that. Now the last 4 yellows that I have. 10 out of 10 for these. And a 10 out of 10 for these two. So all the Pop-Its, 10 out of 10. Not Pop-Its, but Pop-Tubes. Every time I talk fast, I mess up a little bit on what I'm trying to say. And I am putting all these together since it's the exact same. Like the exact same. The monkey noodles are my favorite. I have a few of them in my collection already, but I don't have these ones yet. And yes, I do have a habit on smelling some stuff. I've been like that ever since I was small. For the longest time, I have a habit on smelling Crayola crayons because it brings back so many memories. Look at that. I don't know if anyone else has that habit of the exact same. And still haven't. I know to this day, I still smell Crayola crayons. I know it's kind of weird, I know. But comment down below if anyone else do the exact same thing. Because it brings back memories to me. Because when I was growing up, I used to color a lot. And I still crayons and coloring books to this day. Like, no joke. And these do smell a little bit rubbery, and a little bit like Crayola crayons. So I'm giving these a 10 out of 10. There's only 2 for the yellow monkey noodle. Just 2. One looks like a little bit darker than the other one. Like within. But I'm giving these a 10 out of 10. And now there's 3 of the greens. Same smell, same smell. I'm giving these a 10 out of 10. I am doing the Pop-It bracelets. I will be putting them in front of me, taking it out of the package because it's all the same. I'm really happy I got my garbage next to me, so I can throw all of them away. I'm talking about the trash. Here's all of the bracelets I have. All of them. I'm giving this one a 7 out of 10 because you can't even barely hear the pops. 7 out of 10. I'm sorry for this video to be long, like 20 minutes long. 6 out of 10 because you can't even hear the pop in this one. Same way, 6 out of 10. 8 out of 10 for this one. 8 out of 10. I don't know why I have so many of these that I have. This one is a 6 out of 10 because you can't even hear it. 7 out of 10. 8 out of 10 because you can hear the pops. 8 out of 10 for that one because you can slightly hear it. This one is a 7 out of 10 because you can slightly hear it, but you can hear it a little bit for the pops. Yes, I am just putting a lot of these on my lap, so I don't have to keep getting it from the floor. 10 out of 10 because you can hear this one. And yes, I know I'm speeding through the bracelets of it. 8 out of 10. 7 out of 10 because you can slightly hear it, but not like that. 6 out of 10 because you can't even hear it. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10 for that one. Now there's a few more left that I will be doing. 6 out of 10. 10 out of 10. 7 out of 10. 9 out of 10. There's 3 more. 9 out of 10. 6 out of 10 because you can't even hear it. Last friendship one for the bracelet. 9 out of 10. I will be putting these all together because it's the exact same. Now do need my scissors to open these. Eight out of 10. 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10. 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10. I'm putting these together because it's the exact same. And I know I'm speeding through it like with this video. They got the big ending. 7 out of 10. 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10. This one is one of my favorites. It's a bunny. 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10. My favorite, a pastel bunny. 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10, and plus these are keychains with it. 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10. 10 out of 10. 9 out of 10. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. And 10 out of 10. Certainly but not least is the squishies. I will be cutting this open off camera. This video is already 26 minutes. These are so cute. I'm giving these two a 10 out of 10. I'm giving these a 10 out of 10 as well. It is hard for me to open up a ribbon. These are the glow-in-the-dark ones, and I'm really happy I got these. So 10 out of 10. Last one. These are also glow-in-the-dark as well. So 10 out of 10 for these as well. My favorite has to be the monkey noodles. They are my favorite. Besides the squishies that I have. Comment down below which one is your favorite from the pile. I hope that you enjoyed this video. And if you have any fidgets in your collection, which one is your favorite? And I hope that everyone enjoyed this video.